Hi friends, Janet here from Crafts and Collage. I just wanted to have a coffee moment with you and tell you about these wonderful books. They're called Watercolor Workbook. I found them at Amazon. They're more expensive there. They're on Temu for about $5 Canadian, so they're definitely cheaper for Americans. And guys, if you want to paint, but you're unsure, you don't want to do a paint by number, which is usually acrylic, etc. So these books are fantastic. Okay, I'll show you the garden one. Okay, these are the pictures that it comes with. Okay, and these are the colors that they give you step-by-step color instructions on how to get the colors you need. And it's beautiful paper. It's actually really nice watercolor paper. See, they show you step by step how to mix the color for each of the pages, and then they give you all of those pictures you saw drawn out, the outline, and the painted version over here. So you go through and you paint the different pictures. I don't know if you can see that faint line or not, but it gives you all the way to shade and everything. They're awesome pictures. I love the boots. I have garden, Christmas. My daughter spoiled me again with bouquets. And then my favorite, which was the first one I started, is autumn. Of course, you know me. So I picked, see, it's got all the colors that you have to, you just mix them and you'll see it tells you what plus what plus what gives you what, and so on for each one. Pumpkins and stuff, squirrels. I did I did two in here, I believe. Okay, come on. Yeah, I did the wreath. Mine turned out much darker than the original, but it was fun doing it. Still fun. And I love the fact that the outline is made for me, because God, it's nice not to have to draw the pictures sometimes. You know what I mean? Just paint them. And then I did the truck. Really enjoyed doing these. Added a little background, etc. So these are amazing little books. Go hit Temu or Amazon or something if you enjoy painting and would just like to sit down and actually use the paint, not worry about the picture drawing. These are awesome books for you. Have a great day.